everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video we're actually going to see how to make a gown, a frog in just 12 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm going to use that thing space model, and you can actually see the shortcuts below, and I'm going to copy paste the mask and change the mask to the dress. So the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the dress and go to the edit mode and cut out the parts which is needed for to make the dress. So just follow the guide below, guys. I'm not going to voice over for this since it's kind of too simple. I'm not so good in designing, so you guys just do better than me. And since it is also just an example video, I'm not going to waste a lot of time by designing a lot of stuff here. I'm just going to show you guys how the things work, and it's just a blender tutorial. And if you guys want a Unity tutorial, I might do it after some time. So I'm going to sculpt it out. Sculpting is basically this layering. Sculpting is basically you need to drag the top to a point where the skin and the top which is just made don't coincide. Since it's a girl, I'm going to give her some girly looks, and you can actually also thin the waist, which is actually not needed. And yeah, so I'm going to drag this part by clicking E to little longer, since it's a frog and I don't want it to be too long, and just want it to be a little much good. I just saw the skin is showing that place, so I'm going to drag it, scale it a little bit. And yeah, so this gown is this frog will be like the frill type with simple models, and yeah, so and that's how you need to do. You can do the frills like the cool things in the lounge gowns. And yeah, so guys, my college also postponed the reopening date, so I'll be going in at 2 weeks or 1 week, I'm not sure. If you guys have any doubts, you can actually ask me. It's better for you and me to ask in the incoming 2 weeks, because after that I won't be online so much, I won't be posting so much because my exams are near, so I'll be starting to study. So next thing what we are going to do is we are going to make a skin like that. I have copy pasted the mask, and the skin, this why I have to make a skin. This is the basic for the um different body shapes. Like you want to create a lot of body shapes, so this is the basic for creating the body shapes. So yeah, I'm just going to click where I want the things to be cut. So that's how it's going to look. So I'm going to cut it. Oh, someone wanted to see my face, I guess. I don't know. They just wanted to start my webcam, but I have already given a protection, so it won't be possible. So yeah. Mm. So guys, this is one of the thing which I'm doing. So if you guys want anything else, you can also always comment on my videos, tell me in Zepeto, or play together. And what else I have? Also have a Instagram, but which is kind of not useless because I'm not going to do anything with it so much. So yeah, it's better you guys can just message me in Zapato. I'll be seeing messages every one time a day. And if you guys want any files and to be sent it like the um all the files of Zepeto, like the sample files they have given like a four stuffs like four dresses with one gown and three dress, I guess, the three pants and top. So yeah, if you guys need it, you can also contact me through this episode and give me your email, and I'll be sending you guys those things. So yeah, you can actually see there are two shaders here. These are called shader. So this shader, you don't have to have two shaders. So I'm going to create another shader and I'm assigning everything to that shader, and I'm going to the object mode and remove the extra shader which was present. So the extra shader which was actually present is the shader that is used for the mask, like the mask face with face and the stuffs. So you can actually see the gown also has a two shader. I'm going to create a shader and select everything and assign all the things to here, this shader, and go to the object mode and remove the shader from that gown. Shader is something which is you can say like it's the material where you put your image to create a new cool material like the base material to which you give an image or a design to create a new material and Vertex Painting. So you need to check the Vertex Painting of the gown. It should be black. So what is Vertex Painting is, as I was saying, if you guys have seen my video, you will be knowing the Vertex Painting is you need to paint black in where the body parts which are covering the inside the top, like need to paint black inside the like over the private parts of the mask and the stomach which shouldn't be showing in this gown. So yeah, that's all was private painting. I mean, that's explaining, I'm so sorry. And yeah, now I'm going to make the UV. So what a seam is, mark seam is, you are cutting the material into two or three parts. However, you want to make the designing process simple for you. So after the cutting, I'm just going to select everything and UV editing, and I'm going to just export this UV layout in case I want to design everything. Something cool. After that, I'm going to create a new image like I don't actually want to create an image create a design for it, so I'm going to simply paint everything black. I need this uh black image to actually for baking purposes and also for the unity purposes. Like I'm going to create the material with this black paint, black image, and I'm going to save it as the material for the gown. I mean the frog, which will be so the frog will become the black frog. So you can actually see it's so simple, it's so cool. I'm going to save it as a copy and I'm going to join the areas. Oh, it's not allowed. Oh my god, what is allowed in the drive? And what's drive? My god. So the next thing here is you are need to join the things like the skin and the top, like oh my god, okay, like this. You need to join these things like this and delete this when weight painted, and first you need to select the model you have selected and the things you've done and go to the weights and transfer weights and seen by names, source layers by names. Now go back and delete the example stuff she just did, and this is the gown before the final step. So yeah, as I said, my recording time got over, so I restarted it. So I'm going to paint it with automatic ways with the amateur. First, you need to select the top ends and then the bones and paint it. So after that, you guys have to export it as something. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I will see you guys next video. Bye.